Here's a video of everything I broke on my 700 XMR at around 5,000 miles. First of all, the problem on the 700 is the rear shock. They are way too soft. I broke those attachments on the arm. I reinforced them right there because they were always binding. As you can see, I have a bent arm, the lower arm, because I bottom out too much and it break the bottom arm. So the two are reinforced right there. I broke this arm right there. As you can see, I welded it, and I think it will broke in soon. I broke the top attachment for the chuck on the frame. I made a thicker one because the stock one was too thin. The problem on those 700 is all the weight, the battery, and the gas tanks is on the right of the ATV. So it's a lot of weight on the right shocks. And on the left, you only have the exhaust, so when you bottom out, it's always on the right side that you have some trouble. But as you can see, the left clamp on the frame is starting to rip off. I will have to weld it back because it is starting to rip off. And I changed, as you can see, I changed the chucks because I blown 3 chucks. They were bottoming out, and I blow the I can't remember the name, the stopper, the chuck stopper. I blow the chuck stopper out of the stock chucks, and the chucks just start leaking and blown out. So I blown 3 chucks before putting some Hellcat on it, but I still have the same problem. The Hellcat stage 1 are still too soft. I just ordered today some HD7 chuck. Can-Am HD7 is the same ATV, but it has stiffer chucks. So I will try them. I will put those Hellcat for sale. They are too soft. I should have bought the stage 5 or stage 3 or something like that. So in the back, I think it's the only thing I broke. If I go to the front, the front chuck lasts. They're still the original one, and I didn't blow them. They don't bottoming out like the one on the rear. And the trouble I have up front is A-arm trouble. The top A-arm just broke right there. When I go too fast in the rough trail, the load of the chuck. Look at this tube. This tube is around 1 inch big in diameter, and the one on the back is 3/4 inch, if I remember correctly. Right there. So the arm was always ripping off right there. So as you can see, I reinforced there with some half pipe of metal. I welded right there to there, and I stopped having issue with that because I broke twice the arm on each side before I reinforced this. So that's some trouble I had. Now I'm okay. And up front, I just changed the ball joint, and I think that's it. I changed the ball joint. I didn't touch the wheel bearing. The wheel bearing are good on this ATV. And one last thing I broke, I think it's not so bad, is on the secondary clutch I changed the plastic slider in them because when I was going full throttle, the RPM was not staying steady, so I checked the clutch, and the clutch slider and the secondary clutch were blown out. So I put some new. It was $20 each, so it's not a big deal. So I think that's it. I didn't have that much trouble for, as you can see, how hard I ride it. I have one little other trouble that I can't really figure it out, is my fuel gauge. When I go in a mud hole or in the water up to the seat, the fuel gauge stopped working, and one or two right after it starts working again if I don't go in mud or water. And I think that's it for everything I broke on the 700. It's a good ATV after all, because I'm really hard on it, as you can see. And that's it. So bye guys.